how you can make your first $500 to $1,000 per day with ClickBank affiliate marketing as a beginner. As you can see over here, right? I'm traveling all over the world. Because of ClickBank affiliate marketing, I was able to travel to over 65 countries and stay in 5-star resorts. Now, not to brag, but to show you what life is possible once you take this seriously and once you have a mentor, a coach, as someone who is going to help you one-on-one, step by step, right? So the first thing is to have someone to help you one-on-one. The second thing is to have the right market, okay? It's not about the offer. Sometimes it can be a shitty offer, not really high quality offer, and you can still make a ton of money, a lot of money as an affiliate, as a beginner, as someone who is investing 20 to 30 minutes per day of time investment into affiliate marketing business opportunity, right? So if you're running affiliate offers without having to show your face, without having to run any video ads, with Facebook ads, with TikTok ads, or with, let's say, Google pay-per-click ads, the important thing is to have someone who can guide you step by step along the way, one-on-one. This is the most important thing, right? Because lots of people are asking me, okay, so Tim, once we get started, how it works? And I'll tell you this. Once we get started, we work one-on-one. Over the Zoom call, I help you to set up your done-for-you affiliate website. You're gonna have done-for-you website, affiliate funnel, quiz funnel, for example, right? Functional, meaning low emotional state, high emotional states, message to the market match. All these things are important once you work with someone, once you want to have results with ClickBank affiliate marketing, okay? So we do it one-on-one. Basically, we connect over a Zoom call in 30 minutes, 45 minutes in a day, 3 times per week. And in the first week, in the first 5 to 3 days, we get it up and running, okay? So we're not wasting time with any courses, with any videos that have to waste time and money. No, we get it up and running together. So as you watch this video, if you want to get results with ClickBank affiliate marketing, if you want to travel all over the world, as you can see over here, look, Indonesia, Bali, Thailand, Dubai, Jamaica, anywhere, Tahiti, all it's possible if you take action now and if you get someone who's going to help you one-on-one, step by step along the way. So let me know. There's my Instagram, my personal cell phone number, yes, my WhatsApp number, my messenger, and my email. Let's connect and let's make it happen.